box today. What day am I on? 11. Here's number 11. Found it! 11. It's little. The little bird. It's 2 little birds. Oh, he's upside down. 2 little birds. And the little birds sit just here on the plant pot. I'm not really sure why the birds are in the stable. But there are lots of birds in the Bible, and there's one really great verse where it says that if God cares about the birds, then surely he must care even more about you. Isn't that amazing? God cares about you so much. And the biggest way he showed how much he cares about you is by sending Jesus. I don't really like birds. They flap. One time when I was in America, one ate my hair. I wasn't in America, I was in Australia, but a bird did eat my hair.